Welcome to Mathematics Lessons online tutorial. Today we'll be looking at solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Example: solve x squared minus 7x minus 5 equals 0. Solution: we have x squared minus 7x minus 5 equals 0. The first thing we do, we collect minus 5 over to the right hand side, or we add 5 to both sides. This becomes x squared minus 7x equal to plus 5. The next thing we do, we half the middle term, we divide it by 2 and add its square to both sides. Add its square, that is x squared minus 7x in brackets, we half it, times minus 7, we square, equal to 5. There's a plus here, equal to 5 plus bracket 1 over 2 times minus 7 all square. This becomes x squared minus 7x plus, in bracket, minus 7 over 2 all square equals 5 plus bracket minus 7 over 2 all square. Okay, this becomes x squared minus 7x. We square this value, minus 7 times minus 7, that will be plus 49 over 4 equals 5 plus the same thing, 49 over 4. We factorize this expression. In factorizing this expression, our term becomes x minus 7 over 2 all square equals, we find the LCM of this, which is 4. This is 1, this is 4. This will be 20. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 49. That gives us 69 over 4. Now, I'll explain how we got this term. How we got this term. Okay. Generally, x minus 7 over 2 all square will square the first term, which is x all square. We have a minus sign here, minus. We have a constant 2 that multiplies x and 7 over 2. That is x times 7 over 2. And then we have the last term, minus 7 over 2, which will square. That is 49 over 4. If we expand this, okay, 2 we divide 2. 7 times x is minus 7x. This is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 49 over 4. We'll get back to this. Okay, so in other words, this expanded gives us this, and if you want to get this from here, we simply take the square root of x squared, which is x, and take the square root of 49 over 4, which is 7 over 2. This minus here is what we have here. So we square both sides. That is how we factorize this equation to give us this value. Okay, we continue. Remember we have x minus 7 over 2 all square equals 69 over 4. Okay, we have to take the square root of both sides. In other words, we have x minus 3.5 equals 69 over 4. This square, all square. If we take the square root of both sides, we have x minus 3.5 equal to square root of 69 over 4. Check the square root of both sides. Okay, square root of 69 over 4. This gives us x minus 3.5 equals plus or minus 4.1533. Square root gives us plus or minus. Okay. Now we take this, we add 3.5 to both sides. This becomes x equal 3.5 plus 1 point plus 4.1533 or 3.5 minus 4.1533. Remember, when taking square root, we end up having plus or minus the square root value. Okay, so we add or we subtract using this. Okay, when we add, we have x equal to 7.653 when we add, or when we subtract, we have minus 0.6533 when we subtract. So in other words, our x is equal to 7.65 or minus 0.65 to 2 decimal places. These are our final answers, and this is how to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. Thank you for watching.